Hey guys, Kalam here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert PDF to HTML. It's 100% free of cost, so fast. Uh, I'm going on Google, then type convert PDF to HTML free. So here are lots of websites you are able to find. So first, I open xodo.com. Then here are paste your PDF file. So I'm waiting for a few seconds. Now choose your file on here. So this is my PDF file. Just import on here. Wow, it's already completed. So now click on convert. Wow, it's already processing. So maybe you need around 1 minute for translating this PDF to HTML. Now it's already done. So if I click on save to Google Drive, it's automatically save on Drive. But I only need download. Wow, it's already downloaded to my computer. It's super easy. If I click on right button, then click on properties, then details, you can see it's HTML file. So you can see how I convert PDF to HTML. It's 100% free. So if you have found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe this channel. So you can take care. Bye.